As cliché as it sounds, nature has always been my greatest inspiration. Every shot I capture is a once-in-a-lifetime moment that nature graciously reveals to me as if in a fever dream. Each sunrise displays a different and brilliant palette of colors. The wind, gently whispering or screaming like a banshee, forming the waves of the ocean. Forming the mood I feel while observing with wonder everything that appears and vanishes right in front of my eyes. I've traveled all over the world in search of the mystical, the wondrous, the awe-inspiring. Each place exudes its own unique energy. But this place radiates pure magic. The light hitting the cliffs, the rock formations, the colors. This has existed for millions of years and will still be there long after I'm gone. If I spent a lifetime here, there would always be something new to discover. I'm reminded of how short our time here is in comparison to the seemingly eternal nature of these formations. Something indescribable keeps on pulling me back time and time again. This time I came to find a new side of this place. A moment at low tide to see all the rock formations that are usually covered in water. My respect for this place grows with every sunset spent watching the contrast of the dark rocks when the last rays of light reflect upon them from the ocean. I'm grateful that this corner of the world belongs to a national park. Hopefully humanity will soon realize that places like these are worthy to be protected for upcoming generations. Lighting the rocks from the air at night gives a surreal feel to this natural wonder. I can set the light exactly where I want it. Coming here at night when I'm by myself with not a single distraction makes me feel like I'm a part of the scenery and in intimate communion with nature.